Welcome back to the channel. My name is Sharelle, and in this video we will be exploring the Caption by Hyatt Namba Osaka, which opened in June of 2024. This hotel features 167 rooms. Located walking distance from Namba Station, which is the station we use to get to the hotel. This hotel is located near plenty of attractions, including Lion's Temple, as well as Dotonbori, which is a great hotel for if you're looking for a first-time stay in the Osaka area. This hotel offers a small boutique gym as well as a laundry room, which is great if you're also looking to wash clothes, and it's across the street from a Lawson's. We use Hyatt points to book this stay. If you're not a World of Hyatt member, I would definitely recommend signing up if it's a card that is beneficial to you. These rooms range from 8,000 Hyatt points a night and up. We got it on the lower end. We stayed in a 2 twin bed room, which was enough for 2 people. I would not recommend more than 2 people, but it was in a great location, especially for all the things that we wanted to do in the Osaka area. I will have the points breakdown for this hotel stay in the description box below, but I would highly recommend that if you do have Hyatt points, this is a great option to stay. This hotel does fill up a lot, so we had to book this stay out a year in advance for 2025, but if you're looking for 2026, I would definitely look forward to booking that hotel soon. The Caption by Hilton Namba Osaka is located in a great area because it's on a main street as well as close to the train station. Now, I will say this is not in a totally busy area, but there are busy areas a street or two over, so do keep that in mind. This hotel is great for group trips as well as families. I thought this was a great trip for me and my sister as we wanted to stay at this hotel since it was recently opened this year, as well as save some points during our stays here in Japan, and this was a great option for us. I wanted to take you on a full walking tour of this hotel from start to finish. The main floor doubles as the lobby as well as the restaurant, and you can sit here and order things for purchase, which we didn't partake in this time because, like I said, you're right next to Dotonbori, so there are a lot of food options in this area, but I do plan on staying at this hotel again. If you've eaten here before, please let me know in the comment section below. I wanted to head up to the fitness center as well as the laundry center located on the second floor. The gym is a very boutique gym. You will have everything you need, but I will say I can see this getting crowded at certain times. There were three other guests in the gym area, and it was a little crowded for me, but it's okay because I still got in a great workout. The second floor has two washer dryer combo machines, and I will say for this hotel size they do need an additional set, as I did not get to wash my clothes here because it was always crowded. Each floor does have its own water dispensary, so you will not have a line there, so that is a benefit. Our one had it on our floor as well, and each room has a pitcher for you to fill that up every night if you need to. You don't need to do any of that. Overall, would I stay at this hotel again? Absolutely. For the points value and location, this is a great hotel for first-time travelers to the Osaka area. And because it's right next to the train station, it makes it very easy for you to get to and from the train and not get lost. We walked from the train station, which is about 10 minutes or so, depending on how much luggage you have. If you enjoy travel content and hotel reviews, please consider subscribing to our channel. It helps us here grow on YouTube. Like and share this video with a friend who is looking to go to Osaka, Japan, and let us know in the comments section below if you stayed here before. I look forward to hearing from you, and I'll see you in the next one.